Hi, this is Stephen from SteadyMaker here, and I am proud to announce the release of our latest stabilizer. This is the successor to the SMG Extreme. We are calling it the SMG PLUS. The first video we will look at is unboxing, then we will look at construction of the components, and we will also look at the different modes you will find in the SMG PLUS, along with some operational tips and tricks. When you first receive your product, you will find it comes in this soft shell lockable padded case. This enables you to carry your SMG PLUS to your shooting location and open it and construct it quickly and easily on location. So let's go through some of the components that you will find when you open your SMG PLUS case. We have our top handlebar attachment. Now with the SMG Extreme, it used to be separate components. Now we have a central lockable component and two extension handlebars. You will also find an attachment for your remote. This is the wired remote controller. Also, you will find your battery charger. Relatively straightforward. This is for three 26350 2000 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium ion batteries that come with your stabilizer. That gives you about 3 hours of life in your stabilizer. And of course the cable for the battery charger. So you just plug this into your power outlet and then slide the batteries positive and negative into the sliders, and you'll have some indicators at the top. This will tell you when your batteries are charged. They should ship with a charge, but a good idea is to make sure they're fully charged when you receive your stabilizer before you use it, just to make sure that your batteries are fully charged and ready to go. Next thing we have is your wired remote controller. There are two ways to control your stabilizer. There is a small thumb button joystick on the back of the handle. This will control the pitch, the yaw and the roll of your stabilizer manually. And also we have a wired remote controller. This will attach to the top handlebar, and this will control your stabilizer through a second way. If you're using the top handlebars, you can use your thumb on the controller and control the pitch, the yaw and the roll of your stabilizer as needed through this wired remote controller. What else do we have? We have your base plate. Now you can use your own base plate in the stabilizer if you choose. If you have a quick release plate that you always use, that you want to switch between your tripod and your stabilizer, you can use your own, but we do supply a very good quality, sturdy base plate that you can use with your camera to attach your camera to the cradle of the stabilizer. Also, we have your handles. These handles will attach to your handlebar, and this is very good for high or low angles or inverted mode. Inverted mode we'll show in a future video, but it basically means when you use your stabilizer upside down. So two handles that attach to the handlebar. Going through, we have a small tripod stand. This is for pre-balancing your stabilizer, and you can also keep it on your stabilizer if you want to set it down securely between takes. So this is very useful. It just flips out, and then there is a screw thread that screws onto the base of the main handle of your stabilizer. Now the stabilizer handle has a standard tripod screw thread on the bottom of the handle. So you can attach it to a tripod mount, for example. You can attach it to this little mini tripod stand. Anything that has a standard screw, you can attach it to the bottom handle of the stabilizer. We also have your main handle. This is to go onto the body of the stabilizer, and like I said, there's a screw thread on the bottom of the handle for attaching other things. Some people have attached a monitor to it, some people have attached it to a tripod. You can attach it to various different things if you need to. Inside the handle, you should find your batteries. Now remember, these are rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, 26350. That's 26350. 2000 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. And finally, the main component in the unboxing is your stabilizer body. Now, the stabilizer body itself comprises of the top of the main handle. This has your modes button, which is the big silver button on the front. On the back, you'll see a yellow small plastic power button and your thumb mounted joystick. This is for controlling your stabilizer. And there's a port at the side. This will attach to your remote control, your wired remote control for further control options. Stabilizer itself, relatively straightforward. It has 3-axis gimbal motors. These are brushless gimbal motors. Now, the brushless gimbal motors control the pitch, the roll, and the yaw of your stabilizer. The roll axis, which is the back motor, the pitch, which is the up and down tilt on the side motor here, and the yaw, which is the left and right panning of your stabilizer. These are your 3-axis brushless gimbal motors. This is a stabilizer that supports any cameras between 500 and 2,500 grams. So this is good for anything from small point and shoot digital camera setups to larger, higher end DSLR setups. For example, the Canon 5D Mark III. This allows you to have many different setups in your stabilizer from those weight ranges. Your base plate screws into the cradle here, and your camera will be on the base plate. So this concludes the unboxing and components checklist part of your video. The next video we will look at setting up your stabilizer and pre-balancing it ready for use.